Think you're a master hacker? Here's your chance to prove it and pocket a cool $20,000. The Raspberry Pi Foundation has extended the deadline for their RP2350 hacking challenge, giving you more time to crack their microcontroller's encrypted boot system. But here's where it gets interesting. No one has claimed the prize yet, meaning the code is tougher than it looks. Originally launched in August, the RP2350 hacking challenge, second edition tasks participants with breaking the encrypted boot process of the Raspberry Pi RP2350 microcontroller. The goal: to extract the AES key material and decrypt the data stored in the external flash memory. The Raspberry Pi team added a security feature that encrypts application code and data when stored externally. This encrypted data is then loaded into internal SRAM and decrypted using Raspberry Pi's own AES software library. The really clever part: the encryption keys and other crucial security information are cleverly stashed away in one-time programmable OTP memory, making them extra difficult to reach. And this is the part most people miss: it's not just about brute force decryption. The challenge specifically focuses on side channel analysis, think power usage, electromagnetic emissions, or even timing variations to crack the code. It's a deep dive into the hardware itself. Since the initial 3-month timeframe wasn't enough to deter the encryption, the Raspberry Pi Foundation has generously extended the deadline to December 31, 2025, at midnight, UK time. You can find all the nitty-gritty details and instructions on the official GitHub repository, https://github.com/raspberrypi/rp2350hackingchallenge_2. The full $20,000 reward will be awarded to the very first individual or team to successfully break the encryption. Unlike some hacking competitions, there are no partial rewards here. The Raspberry Pi team seems optimistic, stating in a blog post, https://www.raspberrypi.com/news/rp2350-hacking-challenge-2-into-extra-time, that they've had good chats with a number of teams and individuals working on this challenge, and that progress is being made. They even joked that a little extra time might ruin our day, highlighting the significant financial incentive still up for grabs. This challenge is a collaborative effort with hextree.io, https://www.hextree.io/rp2350-hacking-challenge-2, so you'd be ruining their day too. Now, here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that side-channel attacks are inherently unfair, as they exploit weaknesses in the hardware implementation rather than flaws in the cryptographic algorithm itself. Others believe that this is a valid form of security testing, as real-world attacks often target these vulnerabilities. What do you think? Is it fair game to use side-channel attacks in a hacking challenge like this? On a completely different note, while you're sharpening your hacking skills, don't miss out on the fantastic deals happening right now on PC hardware. Check out these limited-time offers. Asus TUF NVIDIA RTX 5080 was $1,599, now $1,349. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0dqsmmcsh?mark tag =sign pc guide-@-insert-pro-prime-day-1-20. Asus TUF RTX 5070Ti was $999, now $849. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0ds6wtxgp?mark tag =sign pc guide-@-insert-pro-prime-day-1-20. Asus TUF ROG Strix XG27 ACS was $349, now $329. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b09tv7dhv1 ?mark tag =sign pc guide-@-insert-pro-prime-day-1-20. TCL 43S250 or Roku TV 2023 was $279, now $199. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0c1j1glcx $? tag pcguide-inserter-pro-prime-day-1-20. Thermaltake LCGS Gaming PC was $1,799, now $1,599. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0f977mzd7 tag pcguide-add-inserter-pro-prime-day-1-20. Samsung Odyssey G9, G95C was $1,299, now $1,000. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0cp6hw89 tag pcguide-add-inserter-pro-prime-day-1-20. Alienware AW3423DWF was $699, now $549. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0bp9 J8VD tag pcguide-add-inserter-pro-prime-day-1-20. Samsung 77-inch OLED S95F was $4,297, now $3,497. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0dxn1byqm tag pcguide-add-inserter-pro-prime-day-1-20. Asus ROG Strix G16 was $1,499, now $1,350. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0dzzwmb2l tag pcguide-add-inserter-pro-prime-day-1-20. Asterisk prices and savings are subject to change. Be sure to check the current prices by clicking the links. So, are you up for the challenge? Do you have what it takes to crack the RP2350 and claim the $20,000 prize? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share your thoughts on the ethics of side channel attacks. Happy hacking!